Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see how to remove the solenoid from Breville Barista Express. If you don't know the symptom, or if you don't know whether to change solenoid or not, I will show a video.
Okay, let's try the single shot. I think the noise is more now.
You will hear a lot of noise when you press the single cup or double cup button. It will make some strange noise. That is the first symptom. The second symptom is there will be a lot of water getting collected into the drip tray. When you make a cup of espresso, you may see another 2 cups in the drip tray. So that's another sign that the solenoid is failing. So without wasting time, let's see how to open this machine and take out the solenoid. It's easy. I'll show you the shortest and easier method. Now, I already posted a video on how to open the Breville Barista Express. There are 2 versions of Barista Express, so you need to look at that video because the position of the screws are different in each version. So I highly recommend you watch that video. I'll leave the link in the description below. But let's open this quickly and take out the solenoid. The first thing is take out the bean hopper till it locks and then remove it. We don't want that nearby. The second thing is the water tank. Make sure you empty it. You don't want that. And the next thing is the tamper. You don't want that. Okay, now let's quickly remove it. The tools that you need are 2 main things: the Phillips head screwdriver and a nose plier, whatever you call this. I wish I had a longer and thinner one. If you have it, that's the best tool. Here I don't have other than this, so we will see. We will open with what we have. Now, next thing is make sure your drip tray is empty and keep it apart. Keep it aside. Okay, so there are 2 screws here where you took out the tamper. There is another hole very close to the end here. Don't push the driver here because there's a little magnet that holds the tamper. You don't want to push it up. It's sitting in a clip. You don't want to take it out. But here it is. This where you unscrew. And the second screw is right here. And remove that. Just next to the hot water dispenser. Now, after removing those 2 screws, you will see that this top portion is loose. That's fine. We won't apply any force now. Next thing is you need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To take out these 1, 2, 3, you need something like a sharp knife. And then just pop it up. Use a sharp knife like this and just pop it up. And this is the last one. And after taking out those 3 and then remove the screws there. After loosening these 3 screws, now you can slowly pull this part, and there is a little cable that is connected, and you need to remove that first. Just press the clip here
press the clip here and remove. Keep it aside, and then you can pull this just by holding here the clip. Okay, that should be good. And then pull it up. Okay, that means this screw is holding, so just loosen a little more. And then pull it up. Now there's a pipe that is connected here. You can zoom in and see this one. There is a way to remove this. It's hard, but I highly recommend you not to remove it. You can still work on the solenoid without removing this. Okay, so keep it like this, and then let's have a closer look here. Now, after you have opened your machine, all you have to do is remove these pipes. The first one is this. Okay, this one. Now, to remove this, there's a little clip here. You have to use a nose plier, and then let's see if you can demo. Yeah, grab this and pull it this way. And once you do that, this should come off easy. Okay, so one, same thing applies here. This is two. There's a little clip here, so pull that forward. And then the third one is here, this little white, and the clip is here. You have to pull forward and it will come off. So once again, 1, 2, and 3. Once you take it out, there is one more you need to untie, the black one. Usually it's white color. I removed it once, that's why this is black color. You need to cut this and remove the hose from here. Once you do that, you have removed all the connection, and you need to remove, next is the electric connection, which is 1, 2, 3. Another side, 1, 2, 3, the green one down there. So remove those. All you have to do is just pull it. It will come off easy. And after doing that, you need to remove 2 tiny little screws. 1, 2. That's a base that is holding. It's a metal plate like L shape, which is holding the solenoid. So you remove that and that. Once you do that, your solenoid is free to remove, and you need to grab this side and slowly wiggle it and then bring it around this side. You can push this side because you're trying to get it around this pump. You don't want to damage pump or any other cable, so gently push it this way and take it around here. It will come off easy. Same thing, you put it back, okay, this way around behind the pump here, and then there's a 2 little hook where you need to hook it on top of it and press it down, and you'll feel that it's sitting nicely, and then you'll be able to see these 2 holes for those 2 screws, and put it back. It's as simple as that. So you don't have to remove the pump. Once again, the pipes to remove is 1, 2, and 3. And then you need to cut the third one, which is on the left, and pull it up. It's easy to remove that. Then comes the 3 solenoid power cable, 1, 2, and 3 at the bottom, the green one. Again, 1, 2, and 3 on the other side. And then you remove those 2 screws. It will come off. Take it this way to the right. Okay. Also remember these three, 1, 2, 3 pipes, when you remove, after removing the clip, when you pull it up, there will be a o-ring. It's called o-ring, which is red or pink color. Do not lose that. Sometimes it will be inside here, it may not come with the pipe, but don't panic, it's fine. If it comes off, it's easy. You just have to put it at the end, and when you install it back, just push it in and put this clip back, push it in. That's it, till it locks. So keep that in mind. Now here is a picture of that hose being removed, and you see the red color o-ring right here, which is attached to the hose. If not, check inside here in this white area. And here is another example where the hose is removed and the o-ring is attached to the end of the pipe. Now after removing the solenoid, that will come apart into 5 or 6 pieces. So this part on the left, this is where I cut the cable tie, and this is the end where I cut it from. Also, do not lose these washer, the white color in this case. And here is the L-shape metal plate I talked about, where the solenoid sits. So there will be another 1 or 2 screws at the bottom. You need to remove that as well, and then the whole solenoid will come apart from this L plate. And do not lose any of those screws, it is needed. Now you may ask why I should take it apart. Now like you see here, these 2 electric connection, where you connect those 3 electric cables, this is where you hear that noise, and you could clean the part underneath. That's a metal joint, and there could be dirt built up in that joint, which could be the cause of that sound. So nothing wrong in cleaning that, nothing wrong in trying that. Now make sure you dip it in DESCALE solution. Here I took some DESCALE solution in some water, and I dipped this overnight, and then clean it with a brush if you have. Make sure you don't dip the electric part, which is the black color. Do not dip it in the solution. Only the metal part should be in the DESCALE solution. That's why I put some plastic there to get the right height. Anyway, you could try this, and some people had success in cleaning this thoroughly, and after dipping it in DESCALE solution and cleaning with a brush, it started working again, and there is no more sound. So why don't you try it? Nothing wrong in trying it. So after dipping it overnight, after cleaning, you can assemble it back and then give it a try before you invest on a new one. Now if you think it's a pain to do this tedious process to remove all these parts and dip it in the solution, do not worry, I have one more solution for you, and some people had success just by doing that simple solution. So I'm going to share that in my next video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and share. Also subscribe if you are new. So see you guys next time, and bye for now. Now here is the part number, and you could order this part number through Breville official website. You may be able to find some third party as well.